2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, follow. 5, 6, 7. We're going to be giving her a 1.5 right turn on 2. So we're going to prep her on 1. Start turning her on 2. We're going to scoop our hand up on 3. The guys are going to be piking to the left on 4 as I bring it to my neck. So as I step 5, I'm going to step to the side 6 and do a quick right 7. So now on 1, I'm going to open up the slot. 1, hook on 2. We're going to go back to back on 3. Guys, right turn 5, 6, 7 under the right hand. So now on 1, I'm going to be getting in front of her, and the hand is going to start pushing through to turn her. 1, I'm going to face her on 2, and I'm going to keep the momentum going as we go back to back. 3, follow 5, push, pull. 6, 7. So now I'm going to be turning her on 1 with the left hand, opening up the slot. 1, I'm going to be stepping around her, doing a salsa step as I misdirect her on 2. 3, I make her cross over as I cross behind. So now on 5, I'm going to step across again. 5, follow her on 6, 7. Unwinding her from the hip, I'm going to turn to the left as I turn her on 1, let her pass. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. So turn on 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through 1.5 left. Turn on 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a double to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a full turn to the left. 1, 2, cross in front 3. Go back on 5, 6, 7. We're going to do 2.5 left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there.